Hello friends! Welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Oh, no makeup today. But we just went and of course got a cold drink from Sonic because it is 100 degrees today here. And we just brought the van through the Quick Quack, which is my favorite car wash. So right now we are heading to Walmart with the kids and we're gonna pick up a few things because we are leaving for the weekend because Jonah has a lacrosse tournament and we're staying in a condo. So we are gonna go get some groceries and start packing for our weekend. Okay, in this bag that I got from Walmart, I have a big bag of assorted chips. So we have like Doritos and Lay's and Fritos, all that fun stuff. Little treat, Sour Patch Watermelon. I have Good Thins, rice, the veggie blend chips. Oh, they're so good. Love these. Little sweet treat for the kids. We have some Oreos, the peanut butter and regular family size, apples, bananas. If you wrap the tops of the stems, they won't brown as fast. We have some yogurt, raisins. We have some bagels, the plain and raisin cinnamon mini bagels, and in the cooler I'll have some cream cheese to go with that. 3 loaves of bread. We have some clementine oranges. We have some goldfish, some Twizzlers. We have lots of nuts. We have these smoked almonds. And we also have pistachios. In this bag we have lots of pistachios. Strawberries, Coke Zero. This bag is filled with granola bars, like snacks type things. We have jerky and these 2 bags here. So I'm just trying, I might need to get another bag and put all this stuff in it as well. So I'm just packing up all the dry food for right now, and then we'll get all the cold stuff in and put away. We made it on our vacation and just waiting for Derek and Jonah to get here. He's finishing up his tournament. So we got into our condo, and let me give you a quick tour. It's adorable. When you come in, there's a little kitchen. It's adorable. Oh my gosh. So we have plates and all that, but we brought a little bit of paperware, not a whole lot, but okay, so we have little teeny bar here, but we got a good sized kitchen, and then you come in and that door leads into the bathroom. Then you come in, okay, come in and you have this adorable table. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. And then you have the living room, and I believe that turns into a bed. How cute, with a fireplace and TV. It has a very like Swedish old world feel to it. Okay, here is the master room. Cute. Okay, and then you have a jetted tub. And then the sink. And then a sliding door into the bathroom. And here we have the shower, sink, and that goes out toward the kitchen. Okay, and then across the way is another room that has 2 queen beds in it. A desk, TV. Hello. Yes, that's a closet.
And a mirror.
Yeah, and a mirror. And then here is their bathroom.
The shower's good.
Yeah.
And we got our own.
You got your
And
own.
we have a door by our room.
Yeah, well, we don't open it, and I pushed it this way so no one can get it.
Yeah.
So this, you guys, is where we're staying this weekend.
Hey, and we have a...
And there are 2 pools. And there's one of the pools right down there. The view is gorgeous, so. So now that we are in, I'm going to start unloading the groceries, getting things in the refrigerator and things put away. I know I saw that. Okay, so I'm going to put all this away. And you want to know what I didn't bring on this trip? An apron. Nope, I forgot my apron.
Wait.
Weird. Okay, we ran into Ridley's that was here right when we got into town, and we grabbed some milk. I forgot our Miracle Whip and mustard, so I picked up another one. A freeze pops. We're gonna put this in the freezer so when the kids get back from the lacrosse games, they have something cool to munch on. Some cottage cheese for my blueberries and strawberries. Some grapefruit juice, of course the mustard, and these were on sale super cheap, and the kids were like, please, please, and I'm like, you know what, we haven't gotten sugar cereal in a long time, so we grabbed that. And then I just grabbed this little package of spoons, but they have spoons here, so that was just, yeah, that's a little haul. Okay, out of my cooler, I grabbed a veggie tray, and we can munch on that. And then lunch meat and cheese for sandwiches, strawberry and plain cream cheese for the bagels that we have, strawberries and blueberries. Oh, and we have the Uncrustables. The kids love these when we go on vacation, and they're just easier than making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches along with the ham and cheese. So we grabbed these for them. And I brought sandwich baggies so we could pack all of the sandwiches in that we make. Okay, now I'm just going to get us all unpacked, put our stuff in the drawers, that way we don't have to live out of a suitcase. morning, friends. Okay, so now we're off to Jonah's tournament. They won all their games yesterday. So Derek just found out, he just got there and found out that it is total elimination. So whoever wins today gets to move on. So if he wins his first game, he goes on to the finals. So hopefully today they will win their first game. So Derek's already has the coolers packed with all the drinks, the sandwiches, all the cold stuff. And in this bag I have a bunch of snacks for the kids. So, okay, so let's head down to the field and see Jonah kick some butt. Go Krusty Krabs. We only came to World Market just for the fluff. This you cannot find outside of Massachusetts, really. I think they have it in New York, but it's hard to find out from the East Coast, New England. And it's here in Park City, Utah. So I'm going home with some. So you can make fudge with it and make a fluffernutter with peanut butter. So good. A sandwich. So good. Hi friends, good morning. Okay, we are heading out. We just packed up everything. We're bringing things down to the cars. Yeah, so we're gonna head into Park City to go see a street market, and then we might go see the skiers, the aerial skiers go down the, fly into the pool basically, like ski and fly into the pool. Derek and I saw them last year and we showed them to you, so I think we might take the kids to see it because I know they're gonna love it. So we're just gonna play for a little bit before we head home.